Aerobu cushions offer custom superior performance and comfort. They are also easy to clean. Before we grab the cleaning kit, let's peek inside. Our construction features 3 components: an outer cover with outdoor performance fabrics and a durable monofilament mesh quick-dry foam inside. Ready to clean? Begin by simply dampening the entire surface with water, then apply your mild detergent evenly across the cushion. Easy does it. Then, scrub gently with a soft brush. Work the detergent in to loosen any dirt or grime. Next, wash it until all of the soap residue and foam is completely removed. Here's the Aerobu secret sauce. That PVC rubber anti-slip mesh isn't just for grip, it's the escape route. Gravity takes it from there. All that water exits quickly and effortlessly, ensuring the core dries properly and performance is maintained. Done! Your cushion is restored and ready to perform nothing like before. Aerobu, built to perform, built to last.